Every inch of the Launch 23 was thoughtfully designed, invoking classic elegance that harkens back to the original Chris-Craft DNA. This spacious and stylish open bow model was crafted for water sports of all kinds. And with seating for 8, there's plenty of room for everyone to join the fun. The lines are sleek and graceful, accentuating every curve. A handsome raked windshield rises to meet the wind, while a folding stainless steel trimmed pass-through allows passengers to easily step through to the roomy U-shaped bow pit. Hardware finishes and brightwork are refined, with thoughtful elements like stainless steel grab rails, recessed cup holders, pop-up deck cleats, and of course, the classic trumpet horn. At the bow is this Chris-Craft signature, the navigation lights and birchie holder integrated into a single artful element. At the helm is a pair of captain's chairs, each wrapped with a thick stainless steel grip bar and upholstered with diamond pattern stitching and folding bolsters that tuck up to provide optimal visibility all around. Both chairs swivel easily to make socializing with the entire cockpit a breeze. The 3-spoke mahogany steering wheel features a weighted center cap that spins to ensure the logo is always appropriately upright. And a gleaming retro Chris-Craft custom silver perforated panel backplate surrounds the instruments and controls. The 3-person aft bench is an ideal gathering spot for socializing. The rear deck provides easy step-in access, or, when fitted with a removable cushion, a fully padded surface for sunbathing and relaxing. A recessed towing pylon provides the pull for water sports and toys, and, should you choose, LED docking lights provide guidance for late-night cruising. The bimini is stowed within the engine hatch, behind the aft seating, to provide instant shade. On this boat, intricate teak inlay with your choice of blonde or black caulk covers the swim deck, and a retractable 3-step stainless steel swim ladder makes entry from the water as easy as possible. At the stern, a graceful reverse transom and signature tumble home express its unique character. Handmade and hand-built of fiberglass by the most skilled builders in the business, and using only the highest quality materials, the Launch is offered with several paint or gel coat options, and can be outfitted with a variety of power options to meet your needs. With its agile performance, responsive handling, and classic styling, the Launch 23 is the perfect boat for family fun on the water.